Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the brown and granulated sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in the 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. With your dough ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. The centers might still look a little soft, but they will set as they cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now for the fun part, customizing your oatmeal cookies. While delicious on their own, you can easily add your favorite mix-ins. Try folding in 1 cup of chocolate chips for a classic sweet treat. For a nutty crunch, add 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. If you prefer a fruity touch, 1 cup of raisins or dried cranberries works wonderfully. A dash of cinnamon or nutmeg can also enhance the warm, comforting spice profile. Enjoy experimenting with these delightful variations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.